All right, so this video is how to diagnose a wheel bearing that's going bad by jostling the tire itself. This is a 2012 Kia Optima SX, just for an example purpose, because I know that this left wheel bearing is starting to go bad. And the way you do it is that you'll jack up the car so that the wheel is off the ground, and then you will apply pressure here and here, and basically jostle the tire back and forth. If you can feel any play in it whatsoever, and when I say play, I don't mean the steering play, I mean the actual wheel itself will have in and out play that I can feel. And then you also want to put your hand here and here and basically apply opposing forces, and I will be able to feel that it has some give to it. If it's bad enough, you'll actually hear a little bit of a small clunk. The other way to know that a wheel bearing is going bad is that when you're driving, as you increase speed, you'll hear more noise. And then when you turn away from the bad wheel bearing, it could increase in loudness. It'll typically sound like almost like a helicopter whooping sound. Whereas if you turn towards the wheel bearing that's going bad, it'll actually quiet that wheel bearing due to increased weight on the opposite tire. Whereas if you're turning away from the bad wheel bearing, it increases the weight on the bad wheel bearing and accentuates the sound. So hopefully this will help you diagnose that loud noise in your car while you're driving.